Quando vamos nos museus, isso é
little shopping. More shopping. More shopping. More shopping. Mm. I just want to picture this. Hello from the Bahamas, Coco Cay Beach. Enjoying some lunch at Coco Cay Beach in the Bahamas. Feeling hot, hot, hot. Feeling hot, hot. I think it will be just a big open prayer.
In our harbor. And in front you're gonna see also your beautiful house for the week, the Odyssey of the Seas, and in front we have also a Princess cruise ship. See why we call it the wedding cake house?
Yes. That one.
This is right now our national archive, and this was a gift from a father to his daughter. He was getting married, so he gave his daughter this house, and you can see also on the corners, in all the corners, you are seeing the face of a lady, and that's the face of the daughter. So on the left, on the right, you will be seeing the face of the daughter. So this is called the wedding cake house. Do you guys have an idea how much?
Now getting ready to disembark this amazing ship. They call it a city, not a ship. It has been a wonderful journey. It has been an amazing journey. We met new friends, we became family. Thank you to Caroline who organized this amazing trip.